Discover the ultimate chill spot with 30A Blaze Beach Bonfires, your go-to oasis for unforgettable beach fun in the Santa Rosa Beach, Seaside, and 30A area. Whether you're kicking back with our top-notch beach chair rentals or setting up the perfect evening bonfire, we've got all the beach equipment you need for a fantastic day by the waves. Picture yourself under the stars, the fire crackling beside you, a beach vibe like no other. Ready to ignite your beach adventure? Schedule online today and let the good times roll.